Hey designers! Want to master luxury packaging design? This is your step-by-step behind-the-scenes look at how I designed a jewelry advent calendar for Get Pierced Company using Illustrator, Photoshop, and 3D Studio Max. I'm Creative Bilal, and this packaging is packed with style, structure, and storytelling. Hit that subscribe button. Let's design something unforgettable. Let's start with the client brief. Client was looking for an advent calendar packaging design, and below the brief is, we're looking for advent calendar packaging design for our 2025 luxury jewelry collection under the Get Pierced Company brand. The packaging should feature 12 compartments, a star-shaped closure, and minimal exterior branding. It must feel premium, festive, and aligned with our feminine brand identity. Clean layout, soft colors, and storytelling elements are key. Let's set the vibe. I built this mood board with a soft, luxurious palette. The star closure, that's the standout. Everything reflects Get Pierced Company's identity. Elegant, clean, made for the modern jewelry lover. Time to structure it. I started with a custom compartments. 12 compartments. The back and the outer flaps of the exterior box. 12 inner boxes with accurate measurements to fit into the total space of the whole box. And finally, the 3D wireframe structure of how the box will look like. The Get Pierced iconic star with the logo sits front and center. Precision here means easier folding, cleaner visuals, and a better unboxing experience. Next up, the compartments. Each drawer is designed with purpose, numbered in words for a boutique touch. The star closure, custom built with the pen tool. I added the flap messages. 12 days of Get Pierced on the left and a wish list on the right, all matching the brand voice. Now let's bring it to life. I modeled the entire box in 3ds Max. Added the die line, textures, and set up a clean camera path. Watch that star-shaped closure in action. Here it is, the final reveal. Premium feel, premium finish. Quick preview, but this is where your design becomes real. A luxury jewelry advent calendar that's more than packaging. It's an experience. From layout to message, every panel tells a story. Next video, we're designing for more packaging experience for brands.